I recently learned the most simple setup. This is the most popular setup. You want to set the gain closest to 0. Set it to around 7 o'clock. This setting will pick up your voice and keep the background noises to a minimum. And here's how you make sure your microphone is connected to your computer. The best way to speak into the microphone is from the side, not the top. The tip should be facing away from you. Pop filters are available to help diminish the plosives, that p sound when you pronounce a word starting with the letter P. I will include links below where you can get the pop filters along with this microphone. If you'd rather not use the pop filters or cannot wait till your Prime package arrives, here's the best way to position the microphone for best results. This tool is most accessible to beginning content creators. It is strong, sturdy, and the price is pretty nice. And you can set it up in a way to sound professional. More to come. I will go deeper into settings in the next video. Learn more about this product and possible accessories in the description box below. Thanks again for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.